Got the units.
No, he did right off the bottom.
The white flag is out. 1 to go for the number 19, the Plague.
Look at the gate! Go!
The Legend Benavides out in front on the 300.
Go, dude! Go!
Race 6, part 2. Division 2, I guess.
Go faster! Go all the way!
Getting ready for Glen Helen right now. We got a NitroCercus Pitbike Race, so it's just going to be fun. I'm racing in Pitbike Open Pro, and then other than that, it's stock class, and I don't have a stock bike, so Open Pro it is. Thank you, Old Bones Therapy, for hooking it up. Got the knee pads on, shin pads, ankle braces, their socks that they came out with. I'm ready to go now. And I just gotta slide the pants on and off to the races we go. So it's just gonna be fun. Go, go, go! Go, Trip, go, go, go! What's the game plan going into this?
We're gonna try to get the start, win, make it easy on myself. But we got Tyler, we got Bubba here, and you. You're in the second heat, so he's fast.
Oh yeah.
So let's give her the berries.
Run, Matt, run! No way! Let's go! here, trying to get Ryder to hit this second jump. Still coming up short, but it's all right. See Eric, he's coming. The day after NitroCercus Pitbike Race. I got this. You got it, bro. Just need to gas it off it. The lift will be good. Yeah. I hear a wild 110 coming from behind me. I'm trying to record, but oh, buddy. No way, Ryder just hit it right now. Yeah. Got Trevor coming in hot. Tossing it. Got Eric. A little butt whip. A little booty whip right there too. Me and Eric built this turn track in like 10 minutes. It's pretty sick. Already got a couple of ruts forming in. There's a step up going up to where Eric is right here, going up the hill. There's a step down going around that bush. Around that bush right there. Coming back around. It's small. And we got like nice little sand section going on here. It's super slick. Up at the top of the hill.
Just all downhill.
Later, dog.
Alright, later.
You got the 250 left? Or the 145?
Cruising the whole way home. I got gas on the bike, but I just didn't want to use any of it. Gotta save it. Gotta sell my gas. $6 a gallon. Come get it. Still going. Man, top all the way back there. No hands. I think we're coming to an end right now. Oh, we're getting squirrely. We're getting squirrely. How to put the hand on it. I think I'm gonna make it all the way to the stop sign. And that's all she wrote right there. At the top. At the tippity top right there. We made it. This is as far as we got. Probably still got like 5 miles to go.